In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay at Ticketmaster checkout. If you've already picked out your tickets and you're ready to pay, the next part is very straightforward. Once you're on the Ticketmaster checkout page with your selected tickets in your cart, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the event, date, time, ticket quantity, and seat details all look correct before moving forward. It's always a good idea to double check at this stage because once payment is approved, making changes may be more difficult depending on the event and Ticketmaster's policies. When everything looks right, move to the payment section during checkout. Here, you'll need to choose Afterpay as your payment method. If Afterpay is available for that order, it should appear alongside the other payment options. Selecting it tells Ticketmaster that you want to split the total cost into installments instead of paying the full amount all at once. This can be helpful if you want a little more flexibility with your purchase, but it's still important to make sure the payment schedule works for your budget. After you select Afterpay, you'll be guided through a quick login process. This step is usually simple and only takes a moment. Sign in to your Afterpay account and follow the prompts shown on screen. If needed, make sure your payment details and account information are up to date so the approval can go through smoothly. Since this is happening during checkout, it's best to stay focused and complete each screen carefully to avoid delays or interruptions. Once you're logged in, review the installment plan and approve the for-payment arrangement. This is the point where Afterpay will show you how the total will be divided, so take a second to confirm the amounts and payment timing. Approving the plan means you're agreeing to those scheduled payments, so it's worth reading the details before continuing. After approval is completed, your checkout can move forward and your ticket purchase will be processed. That's all there is to it. The key things to remember are to start from the Ticketmaster checkout with your tickets selected, choose Afterpay as the payment option, then log in and approve the 4 installment plan. If Afterpay doesn't appear,